Hello guys, how are you? Let me hope everybody is fine. Yes, let me hope everybody is fine. Now I'm going to be talking about digital adverts. How people are making money using their phones. How people are making money using their phones. So this is the account. Yes, this is the account. You see guys, how people are making money. For example, this is the account balance is 40,000. Total earned is 1 point something. You can see, you guys. Yes, I want you guys to see the proof that people are making some money. Yes, I think you guys, you can see. Though this is an agent, you can see the badge of honor. This means you're a founding member. Then this is an agent budget. You can see how much he has earned for him being an agent. So far he has referred 28 people. The rewards, he has brought 9 people, so he's almost getting a t-shirt. Once you reach 10 people, you get a t-shirt. When you reach 100 people, you get a phone, a smartphone. Then when you reach 400,000 people, you get a laptop. So this is the money he gets. There's something so special with this. I want to show you something so special. Yes, with these digits here. For example, level 3 airtime commission from loved one. You can see how money comes in. This is called passive income, residual passive income. I want you guys to see what we call residual passive income. We actually don't work for this money. This money comes by itself. Yes, so I'm going to show you my dashboard, how much money I make when I'm in bed. I wish everybody could make this money. So let's go to the dashboard. Then from there I'll take you to the application and you see how much money I have, how much money I make, and you will see my withdrawals. Yes, these incomes are not just listed here. These incomes, I'm going to show you proof that people are making money in Uganda. People are making money. So from there, let us go to the app. I want you guys to follow up very well. Let's go to the app and you see the money that your fellow Ugandan is making. Yes, let's go to the app. Let's go to the app. Digital Adverts. Digital Adverts Limited. Where is the app? This is the app. Yes. You can see the ads that are paying. Yes. From here, guys, we are making passive income. Residual passive income. Let me hope you understand this very well. This is the money that I have. Yes, this is the money that I have at the moment. How do I get this money? You get this money by doing survey. You just answer a survey and you get 300. Each survey is between 300 to 500. These are the survey. You just fill in a survey and get paid. Then there is adverts. You watch adverts and get your money. Each advert you watch is 100 shillings. How do adverts play? How do you get the money from the adverts? That's a question I want you guys to answer. That is an example of the advert. That is an example of the advert. Yes. That is the advert. I want you guys to prove how people are making money. I want you guys to prove how people are making money.
No one should stop you from finishing what's
yours. There are so many adverts because the advertisers are very many. Every company, every business is advertising. So you guys, there's a lot of money in the industry. The company is paying us a lot of money to watch the adverts. I really don't want anybody to use this opportunity untaken. So from there, you see what happens. You have earned 100 shillings by watching this video. Keep watching and earn more. Yes. That is the money. So let me show the other proof that people are getting money. People are getting money just using their smartphones. Let's go to our history. Let's go to account history and you see how these guys are getting a lot of money. All of this is residual passive income. Residual passive income. When I talk about residual passive income, this is the money that comes to your account without you working for it. Yes, all this money, you can see the date. This is about a day before. So if you try to add up, you will see that we can get 50,000 per day passively without you working. This money comes in every day. For the rest of the days, you're going to be getting this money. So from there, let us proceed to my withdraw. Yes. Let me show you earning history, because I want you guys to believe that people are getting money. Look at these dates very well. 29th, 28th. So you can see how much it gets in a day. Yes, just watching ads and referrals, surveys. So this is enough for you guys to prove that people are getting a lot of money. Imagine getting this money passively with just your phone. People are getting this money using their smartphones. Let's go and we see how much these guys are paying. Let me show you how much these guys are paying. Let me show you how much I withdraw. I want you guys to get proof. Yes, so you can see this is my withdraw. Paid this money. Look at the dates. Almost in a space of 2 days we make withdrawals. Yes, you can see the money we are withdrawing every here and then. This is an opportunity that you also can grab.